Agricultural farmlands require steady power supply for their basic day-to-day activities like irrigation, heating, lighting and so on. The agricultural solar mounting system by Angel Solar is developed for the installation of solar systems on farms that provide them with stable and sufficient power for their daily needs, enabling the economic use of land whilst also facilitating normal cultivation. Most of these system components are pre-assembled in our factory premises, saving installation time and costs at the project site. It accommodates frameless and framed modules in both landscape and portrait arrangements, with a tilt angle ranging from 0 to 30 degrees. Also, it can be custom designed according to the customer's inputs, with the solar module arrays flexibly installed in multiple configurations, according to the light exposure requirements of varied plants and the land terrain. It can be anchored to the ground using concrete foundation and ground screws. Structures made of high-strength aluminium alloy provide better protection against severe weather, such as winds of up to 216 km per hour and snow loads of up to 1.6 kilonewtons per square metre. Anodization further improves the corrosion resistance of aluminium, ensuring increased life. A 10-year manufacturer's warranty on workmanship and material defects is included with all of our racking products.